If you're ready to quit smoking and you've literally tried every avenue but everything has failed, please listen to this message. Now, a lot of you might not know this, but I actually struggled with smoking for 18 years of my life. And when I say struggled, man, I lived for smoking. My whole life revolved around smoking, from the time I woke up to the time I ate to the time I went to bed. And that actually encouraged me to create this product called Up and Smoke. And it works. Listen, this lady of 25 years, her doctor told her, hey, you need to smoke. She's got some biopsies going on, and she's now 6 days smoke-free. Another one smoked for 22 years and was able to quit after 3 days. One of the main reasons that this works so well is because there's an herb in it called Lobelia. And Lobelia actually mimics nicotine in the brain. So when you partake of this herb, when it goes into your system, it hits those nicotine receptors and it tells your body, oh, got my dose. And then you just go on and you don't have that urge to go smoke. So I'm here to let you know that you can do it. You don't have to hold on to these cigarettes any longer. Listen, I loved smoking so much, I would justify it. Like, I even found articles to prove the fact that nicotine does have benefits. And nicotine does have benefits, but you can also get nicotine from like fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and cauliflower and potatoes. Anywho, if you're ready, we're here for you. We got you.